In today's lesson, we'll be looking at construction of structures. Construction is a great way to use creativity and problem solve, as well as a way to have lots of fun. To begin with, we are going to look at different types of structures that are famous around the world. Firstly, we have the Eiffel Tower in Paris, which is the tallest structure in Paris. Next, we have the Golden Gate Bridge, which is the second largest single-span suspension bridge in the world. Then we have the pyramids in Egypt, which were built as tombs of pharaohs and their families. And finally, we have the Sydney Harbour Bridge that carries a railway line, cars, bikes and pedestrians. Now we will look at a variety of different materials that can be used in construction. Gold, rubber, timber, stone, bricks, foam, plastic, and glass. So today we are going to be using everyday materials, marshmallows and spaghetti to construct our own towers. To do so, we can use different joining techniques and skills to make sure our structures are stable. Here are some examples you could use. Once we understand it and are familiar with how to construct joins, we can begin making our tower. It is important when constructing your towers that you start with a strong base. When building the tower, it is also important that you remember to reinforce the structure. Even though it may look like some of the spaghetti is not required, they all increase the strength of the tower when put together. On completing the tower, it's time to test if it can hold the weight. Make sure you record how much weight your tower can hold. It is essential that you are aware of safety issues during this activity. Spaghetti is not to be eaten and kept away from yours and others' eyes. The weighted balls are also not to be put in your mouth, as you may choke. Now it is your turn to have a go. Have fun and don't eat all the marshmallows!